On behalf of the Fijian government, I wish to thank the Chinese government most sincerely for the kind gesture in providing this face mask that will allow my ministry to ensure the health and safety of Fijian workers at the workplace. I'm also very pleased with your support and assistance as we strive to battle COVID-19 pandemic in the country. Your Excellency, this handover is a timely one as the ministry is currently engaged in the nationwide survey. And the purpose of the workplace survey is to gauge the impact of the COVID-19 in Fiji's workplaces. This handing over marks another milestone in both our countries' relationship, where our engagement has been progressive. I noted that the Chinese government has also provided financial assistance towards the Fijian government as assistance to contain the COVID-19, to name a few. Your Excellency, the Fijian government has gained a lot in terms of technical assistance, professional development and capacity building programs from the People's Republic of China. This much needed assistance does not only benefit our government, but it will assist the Fijian community as a whole. In conclusion, I believe that all assistance and support provided demonstrate the long-standing and productive relationship and partnership enjoyed between our two countries, while trusting that this partnership will continue to grow as we work together towards strengthening our collaboration effort. Your Excellency, once again, I would like to reiterate my sincere appreciation to the government of People's Republic of China. Thank you and Vinaka.
Each pack is
Open. Right.
yeah.